Hello, and welcome to Comprehensible English. Today, we're going to be talking about my morning routine. First thing in the morning, my alarm clock goes off. I don't know about you, but I really don't like the sound of my alarm clock. So I am always very fast to turn it off. After my alarm goes off, I like to wake up really slowly. I spend a little bit of time with my family, like in this picture. You have a mom and a dad and then a little baby girl. And they're spending their weekend just cuddling in bed. After I'm done with that, I have to admit, I like to check my phone. I like to see if there's any new messages or anything important that's happening. Plus, I like to check in on social media. After I'm done that, I go into the bathroom and I brush my teeth. I always like to do that first thing in the morning. You can see that there is a mirror so that you can see how you're brushing, and a sink as well to help you out. Then, I like to have my cup of coffee. I find that my brain just doesn't work until I've had a cup of coffee in the morning. Here she's drinking coffee from a nice black big mug, and she's sitting in a big comfy chair. After my coffee, I like to do some stretching. You can see that this family is stretching in what appears to be their bedroom. There's a bed and a dresser and a shelf for putting things and a nice comfy chair. There's the dad, he's smiling, and the mom, she's laughing, and then there's this little girl. She is kind of acting silly. After I'm done my morning stretching, I like to have a shower so that I can feel nice and clean. I put shampoo into my hair and then rinse it out. Afterwards, I find that my hair is a mess. So I need to brush my hair to make it look better for the day. I then go and eat breakfast. Generally, I like to have something nice and healthy for breakfast. In this picture, the person is eating some granola and yogurt with strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And it looks like they have a cup of milk for making coffee and some banana bread, and it looks like some sort of a dessert here as well. Then I like to sit down and relax and have yet another cup of coffee while reading a book. This looks like a nice comfy place for this girl to read. There's lots of plants with big green leaves, and then some white curtains that still let the light in. The end. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel